left. This is watermelon. This is melon. This is mango. This is yogurt. This is cheese. This is mayonnaise. This is milk. This is plastic ball.
Cut the fruit into small pieces.
Put the fruit and one ball. Put the fruit into the bowl.
Add milk and yogurt into the bowl.
This is for